Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a beach cover-up dress. And you can make it any length. And I also have a knitted version in my Ravelry store, and I'll put the links below for that. So I'm going to get started. To make this beach dress, I'm working with one strand of worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Okay, after you have your foundation chain made, I'm going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. I'm working top down, and this is the casing for the chain cord that forms the straps. So chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. I'm going to repeat across the row. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. Okay, so repeat that all the way across the chain. Okay, I've worked across the chain. The next row, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And that takes the place of the first double crochet and the first chain 1. Turn the work. In the same stitch, make a double crochet, and that will form your very first V-stitch. Now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and the chain 1 counts as a stitch. So skip, skip, and then the next stitch, make a V-stitch. So that would be the stitch. So V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Now skip 2 stitches in the next stitch, which is this stitch, make a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Now you're going to repeat that across the row. You skip 2 stitches, make a V-stitch in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches, make a V-stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and do that across the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row, making my V-stitches in every 3rd stitch. And now every row is going to be exactly the same. Turn the work. Slip stitch into the first chain 1 space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Takes the place of the first double crochet and the first chain 1. Make another double crochet in that same space. So you're making a V-stitch in the chain 1 space of the V-stitch. And now working across the row, you simply make a V-stitch in the chain 1 space of the next V-stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And you're going to continue that row until your beach cover dress is as long as you would like. You can make a short dress or a medium dress or a long dress as shown in the photos. So that's it. There's an easy beach cover that you can crochet for the summer months. And when I was totally done, each side, the front and the back, I simply made double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And I did 2 rows of double crochet. So I double crocheted in each of the stitches, and then I sewed the seams down the side. I chained 2 cords of 30 inches each, and I passed through that top row of stitches.